Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add Single Note Widget to home screen on iPhone. First, what you want to do is go to your home screen, then tap and hold on any blank space on your home screen. Then this will pop up, the apps will wiggle just like that. And what you want to do is click on the plus icon on the left upper side corner of your screen. This will pop up and search on widgets, notes, just like so. Tap on it, and here you will see all of the widgets. So there's the folder widgets. Just swipe to the right till you see this single note widget. So once you're here, just tap and hold on that widget, then move your finger to your screen right here, and now you could place it wherever you want. Once you're done, just tap on the button at the top right. And that's basically it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.